receding. Heavy. This is all. And the autopilot is very, very good. He's the best man of the boat, I think. I am really lucky because the wind is from the bottom, from the rear. If the wind was from the front, it would be another story. Just there is a little view. Woohoo! So this is l'île Dieu. And here there is Saint-Jean-de-Mont. Oh, this is Saint-Jean-de-Mont. I think I will tack in a few minutes. I just want to go forward because if I go here now, I think I will have the wind just behind me. So this is not really good because with the waves I don't want to tack anytime. Take a look. This is my speed on ground. 6, sometimes 7, yes, sometimes 8. No, it doesn't work. No, I think my best speed for the day was just one gust at 10 knots. So this is Lille, and this is where we are going. I'm going to St Croix De Vie. This is close to my home because my home is just here. But the problem, if I go to my home, I will arrive at maybe 10 o'clock, so this is too late for me. And because tomorrow I have to go to the work, I want to be home, to be at home early, just to enjoy my wife and to take some rest. This is really beautiful. The water, there is a lot of trap for the fish. There is everywhere, and another just there, another just there. This is the only thing that make me worry when I sail by night. So this is Saint-Jean-de-Mont, and there is St Croix De Vie, just there. St Croix De Vie is my destination for this evening. This is my speed. I don't want to go directly to St Croix De Vie. I want to go to this submarine cable, and after I will go there. Because actually the wind is really in this way. And because there is some waves, I don't want to tack any time. Just in front of us, there is St Croix De Vie. is the speed of the boat, almost 8. This boat is really impressive. Oh. So when you tack, this is when the change of size or side just in the front. But when this is by the back, I don't remember. It doesn't matter. The beep that you heard, this is when the pilot, this is just a little alarm, when the pilot changes the cap. If there is more than, I don't remember, 10 or 5 degrees of a difference, it just make a beep. Excuse my English. I'm a little exhausted by this navigation and so here we are, and the next week when I want to go home, only 20 nautical miles to go. Less than 20. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, up, no, to the down, to the up, to down, to the up, to the down, to the right again, to the down, to the up. This is the new dance for the summer. Bah, 8.5 knots. This is really impressive.